clap? Do it again. Clap. Clap. This way. Stand up, silly goose. You can do it. He's thinking, I'm not going to do it again. Do it again. He's not going to do it, a little rotten finger. He totally took his hands off the table and was clapping him, just standing there. Do it! Do it and let me get it on video. Do it, stinker boy.